I got this again. There it is, back again. It's 1990 GE General Electric on-clock radio.
I'm in Georgia Farm Bureau Auto Insurance.
Everyone knows that locally grown is better. And at Georgia Farm Bureau, we're 100% local, providing great coverage, competitive rates, and...
Price at only $39.99, or the nimble 2019 KTM.
423 42.
Side by side. It's free. 50762.
Not really that much on. It's tone control.
It works just like your big in-home concentrator, but it's much smaller and lighter, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. Call now and speak with an oxygen specialist to receive your very own Inogen 1 risk-free for 30 days. Plus,
Might not get anything. The AM is probably worn out on this. Oh.
It's Gerald, a broadcast star. Chance of showers Wednesday night and Thursday.
Well, wait, that is the right time. It's 5 o'clock p.m. 5 p.m.
Just John Weatherby now. So trying to reach the things that I can see. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
Gotta love this song. And that's it.